Welcome to this quick and easy video tutorial on how to create your very own blog using Webforce. Blogging is a great way to express yourself and share your ideas with the world, and with Webforce, you can do it effortlessly. This tutorial will guide you through the process, so you can start blogging in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Webforce dashboard and navigate to the section on the left labeled Post. Activate your blog and select a domain for your blog. Create a path for your blog, such as blog. Next, make sure you include a path name for all the default pages of the blog, such as categories, tags, and search. Now it's time to select a template that fits your blog style. In this case, let's go with a health page. Wait for the template to create. Now that the blog has been created, let's create our first post. Add a title and select an author, then click Next to edit your post. Start by adding an image and easily crop it. Add a short summary and publish your post immediately or schedule it for a specific day. Next, navigate to the Content Post section in the left bar. Here, you can add the complete text that will appear on your blog. Once you've updated your post, hit Save, and it will appear as a draft in your post section. Now let's go to Settings and click on the blog. Here, you'll find all the main pages of your blog that are completely editable to your needs. Finally, check out how your blog was created. You can see all the sections, such as the search, recent posts, categories, and tags. Thank you for watching.